Let's explore how you can get started with cryptocurrency and begin mining directly from your phone. The best part? You don't need any costly mining hardware. Pi Network makes it possible to mine Pi coins using just your mobile device, without draining your battery or racking up high energy costs. With millions of users already involved, now is the ideal time to join this expanding digital currency community. To begin, download and install the Pi Network app from the App Store or Google Play Store. I'll also include the app download link in the description so you can easily find the right one. Once you open the app, you'll see an interface similar to this. The first step is to create a Pi Network account, which will allow you to start mining Pi and earning rewards. There are a few different ways to set up your account. If you're using an iPhone, you can quickly sign in with your Apple ID by selecting the Sign in with Apple option. Another method is to register through Facebook, where you'll need to log in with the email and password associated with your Facebook account. However, in my opinion, the best option is to sign up using your phone number. When you select this method, you'll be asked to enter your mobile number along with your country. Next, you'll need to provide a valid email address, which will be linked to your Pi Network account. Enter the same email twice to confirm. Then proceed to the next step. Now, create a strong password for your account. After that, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name, along with a username for your profile. Make sure to use your real name, as you'll need to verify your identity later using a government-issued ID, driver's license, or passport. Once you've completed this step, you'll see an option to enter an invitation code. If you have one, enter it here. Otherwise, simply tap "No one invited me." And that's it! Your Pi Network account is now successfully created. To start mining Pi, just tap the button on the right side of your screen. At the top of your screen, you'll see the total number of Pi coins you've mined so far. As you can see, I currently have just under 3,000 Pi coins. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments how many Pi coins you've collected, and feel free to suggest topics for my next video on Pi Network.